guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Lachelletrends. So today I'm coming to you with a hair tutorial on these faux locks you see me rocking right now. I received these faux locks from Ebonyline.com. I will have everything linked in the description box below in case you want to get this same hair. And yeah, you guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. And let's go ahead and jump right into it. Okay, y'all, so again, I received this hair from Ebonyline.com, and they were kind enough to send over 5 packages of hair. And this is what the package of hair looks like. It is by the company Bobbi, and they are 36 inches, as you can see. If it's like a kind of like a glare. And yeah, at the end it says hassle-free extended, because you do not have to extend them yourself. They already come 36 inches. And it comes with twice the hair in each package. So once you open up the package of hair, this is what it looks like. And these faux locks are like crinkly, kind of messy looking, more realistic. They're not just straight, which is good. And yeah, you guys, they're 36 inches. And with twice the hair each side. Well, it was the side over here. This side has 12 and that side had 12 as well. So it comes with 24 faux locks in the package. So that is good as well. So yeah, the package of hair was $17.94 if I'm not mistaken, but I will have it linked in the description box below. But yeah, it was about $17 for each pack of hair. So yeah, you guys, I got this hair in the color 1B, and I believe that's all I have to say about the hair. We'll get more into detail once we jump into the video, so let's go ahead and do that now. Okay, y'all, so this is what my braid pattern looks like. Some are braided and some are twisted. It just depended on how I felt at that time, and yeah. So now I'm just going to take this oil and oil my scalp. Starting the process, I'm just going to take the faux lock and crochet it through my braid, and then after I crochet it through my braid, I'm just going to fold it over to the other side, the opposite direction, just so it can be tight and on my scalp. And then I'm going to get the water wave hair and separate that, just so we can create more hair, because as you know, girl, you know it's not enough water wave hair in those tiny packs. So anywho, we're going to go ahead and crochet that in as well, and then it's going to be a little piece that we're going to insert on that water wave hair, and we're going to take the water wave hair, the real hair, and our faux lock, and just begin to wrap that water wave hair around. And I wrap it around enough times at the root of the hair, just so it can look seamless at the root, and like, you know, the lock is coming from my root. And then yeah, girl, just continue to wrap it on down. So as you can see, my real hair is longer than the water wave hair after wrapping it. So what I do is take another piece of that water wave hair and I crochet that through the faux lock itself, and then I just begin wrapping again like I did at the root. And honestly, y'all really don't even have to do that. All you really have to do is wrap your real hair around the faux lock, and when I tell you, it looks exactly the same. The only reason why I did this is because it's in the front of my hair, head, and I just wanted to look, you know, real nice or whatever. But in the back of my head, girl, please, I did not wrap this water wave hair around again. All I did was continue to wrap my real hair around the braid and finished it off like that, and it really gave it like a more natural look. Okay, y'all, so this is the final look, and yes, honey, like, I'm really feeling this hairstyle, and I'll give you guys like a little turn and you can see how long it is. So yes, y'all, I'm really feeling this hairstyle. Just to give like my thoughts, it is I wouldn't say heavy, but it does have some weight onto it, of course, because it is 36 inches, so that is to be expected. And I have about 52 to 55 braids in my head, so yeah. But other than that, this was a very easy install. It took me about maybe it took me 4 hours to install the hair, and I braided it the day before, so that was an hour. So I'll say altogether I spent about 5 hours on this hairstyle. And yeah, y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.